beautiful out there. Nice.
Hey, aloha guys, and welcome back to another episode. Today I realized that I didn't do this loop on the windward side of Oahu for a long time, and I called my friend Ben, who just got back to the island. He said if he wants to go out for a hike, and he said yes. So we are here on the windward side doing this nice loop. I really love this area. It's just beautiful. You always see the ocean. You have this beautiful ridge to climb, and it's just amazing to be out here early morning when sun just rising. So hopefully I can show you guys around. Man, this climb is pretty steep. It always gets me, but it's nice scrambling. Actually pretty nice. Not too wet. Half dry, half wet. It's perfect. Love it.
I used to be able to put my foot in the ground like on a surface, and no matter what, I would have traction. And now it's like, oh, the ground's wet, watch out.
Yeah. You might ask why this is one of my favorite loops. I just love scrambling. It's a beautiful area, beautiful, nice ridges to climb. You have vegetation, you have some bushwhacking. Views are amazing, and it's not that long, not that short, just perfect. So one of my favorite rock to climb on this area has no name, but it's really cool. So we're gonna climb it up now with Ben. Are you ready, man?
Always.
All right. Looks nice. Go ahead.
So this is actually a bunch of shipping containers that we're about to climb over, but with the help of AI, we've turned this into a giant rock face, and your user experience will make you believe that you're actually climbing a Hawaiian mountain. And it's not like you're in Jurassic Park or something.
You're clearly not. All right. Maybe they are old rusty.
Oh, it feels so real. Oh, it's like I'm really here.
Just don't fall in the water.
Oh,
from the boat.
especially when the water is concrete. Ugh.
Beautiful dry rocks. I love this thing. Yeehaw! So this is what I love about this loop. We were 5 minutes ago in the hot sunny ridge in a beautiful rock, and now we just arrived to a little waterfall. Now the question is the big waterfall flowing? Let's find out. Well, obviously the big waterfall, barely flowing, just barely a line, so I really wanted to have that cool drone shot flying away when you are on top of that waterfall. I guess I have to come back when it's raining. So now it's ready for the bushwhack, I guess. This part of the trail gets a lot of uluhe fern, so we're gonna bushwhack all the way up there somewhere. It's super hot and humid. We are sweating like crazy. I should have go stand-up pedaling today with my wife, I guess. Well, but I'm here, so let's have fun. Oh, by the way, I'm organizing 2 trips this year, one in Transylvania, Romania, and one in Spain. So if you feel like you wanna come out and hang out, hike, eat some good food, I will put the details down in the description. It's a very small group I'm gonna take. It's maximum 8 people, so if you wanna join, let me know. Spain is pretty amazing. We're gonna be in the north of Spain, really good food, different mountain towns. We're gonna hike every day. We're gonna even stay up at 2000 meters in one of these cool cabins. In Romania, it's gonna be more of an adventure trip. We do via ferrata, kayaking, biking. So it's a very different experience. That's gonna happen in July, and the Spanish one in August. So let me know if you feel like coming out and hang out for 6 days in Europe. I'll put all the details down in the description. Woo!
If only I had seen a waterfall, I'd be more motivated.
Oh.
What's the phrase? Don't go chasing waterfalls?
Yeah, today I definitely feel more tired than usual, and I just feel like off today. I think with all the things going on in my life at the moment, it's just very stressful times, and I cannot even turn off my brain on the mountains, which is pretty rare because I love to be out here. But definitely feels good to be out. It's just too many things going on. Alright, can you guys see Ben? I'm trying to follow him. That blue, oh, here he comes.
Is this true, Mana Mana?
Not yet.
Whew. Sorry, man, still slow.
Oh, raspberries. All right, let's see if I still got it.
Ah, damn it.
Oh, man, not bad, not bad.
Son of a... Is the other bear claw. Like when he did Oahu Windward.
Alright, slowly we are getting to that ridge, Mana Mana area, which is pretty exciting, as you can hear it from my voice. And now we have some clouds rolling in, so we might gonna get some rain, which is very surprising because it was very hot and humid. So it's definitely beautiful views from up here. You can't beat that. And this loop is just so much variety. You start out in a very steep area, then you get into the jungle, then you climb ridges, then you see waterfalls, then you bushwhack, and then again back on the skinny ridge to enjoy some scrambling while you go down. So pretty cool loop. Just you really have to know your way. You don't want to get lost in here, that's for sure. This is the last part of the trail. It's actually pretty amazing. It's a beautiful climb down. The views are amazing. So
One of the best.
yeah, it is definitely one of the best. Short loop, but with just so much variety. I really love it.